Next up we have Rahman, not like the noodles. Coming from Respect MA, facing off against Erin Harper.
From Fight Fit. This is 3 1.5 minute rounds of kickboxing.
She looks like she's on demon time though.
Yeah, really relaxed approach, doesn't look phased by the occasion at all.
And facing her to make her way to the red corner, Erin Harper!
Next up we have Erin Harper, coming from Fight Fit Kickboxing. Erin with the clear home advantage.
Reintroducing in the blue corner, represent Respect Martial Arts Academy, Kainaath, the Killer Unicorn, Rahman!
The Killer Unicorn.
And in the red corner, representing Fight Fit, Erin Harper!
Both fighters to the centre. Seconds out of a 3 1.5 minute bout of kickboxing action. We've already had some brilliant fights so far. Can this be another one?
Yeah, both fighters straight in. Oh!
Good flurry from Erin. The Killer Unicorn putting the pressure on though.
Rahman coming back with some of her own now.
Yeah, the Killer Unicorn. And the Killer, rightly so. She looks very strong.
Yeah, both fighters looking sharp early doors as well. Nice.
Good roundhouse from the
Rahman doing
Killer.
a good job there in the corner. Well turned there by Erin. Straight back at each other. Bit of an adjustment required.
That might be the nicest bit of advice I've heard Chris Bladen give in the years I've known him. Back leg. And the hands. That's not Chris.
Nice, Rahman doing a good job mixing it up. Big head kick and a nice shot there.
Erin seems unfazed though, but still it landed flush. The Killer Unicorn taking a big deep breath there as she's spent all her energy.
Yeah, Rahman looking really sharp now. Referee breaks that up. And that is round one. Interesting first round. If you was the judges, how would you be calling this one?
I'd have to give it to the Killer due to pressure. Erin Harper seems unfazed though, but I would have to give that to the Killer there.
Yeah, I agree.
Thank God I'm not judging though.
No.
I'd probably be falling out of a lot of people.
Rahman looked really sharp for me in that round. Both fighters looking good though, nonetheless.
Oh yeah, very skilled, very talented.
This has to go crazy for the ladies. This is round number 2.
And we're straight back in round 2.
Nice roundhouse to start it off. Erin replies. Oh! Very heavy roundhouse from Erin. Good teep to the midsection as well.
Oh, nice there.
A very good fight this, back and forth, toe to toe.
Nice.
Oh, nice right hand from Erin.
Big shot.
Yeah, some nice shots there landing from Rahman.
Very heavy hit.
Erin looked hurt by that one. Quick chase. Oh, nice shot again.
Nice shot from the killer.
Rahman really doing a good job of trapping her in those corners too.
Whoever gave her this nickname was correct. She
Indeed,
is a killer.
indeed.
This is the first I've seen of Respect Martial Arts, but I'm liking what I'm seeing so far.
Yeah, me too, me too.
Whatever the corner's asking for, she's complying and giving that straight away. That's when you know you come from a good gym. And you trust your coach as well.
Erin starting to look tight. Oh, big shot, and she's down.
Very good right hand.
Yeah,
Very,
great
very
cross there
good
from
right
Rahman.
hand. Landed on the button.
Really starting to dominate this fight. Can Harper change this? That is the question we're all wondering.
Can we see a stoppage here?
Yeah, Rahman straight back in here. Nice time for the round to end for Harper.
That was a
brilliant
very good
round
right
though
hand.
for
She
Ram.
set it up nice as well. Going to the body. Look, loading that
Yeah.
right hand.
Yeah,
Very good shot.
she's
Snap
looking
the head back.
dangerous. She's looking dangerous. How can Harper change this next round is the question.
She needs a stoppage, I
Yeah,
think.
she's got a big task on her hands here.
The killer is 2 rounds up, definitely.
She's not dropped the pace at all either, Rahman.
As I said before, this is the first I've seen of Respect Martial Arts, but I'm liking what I'm seeing.
Yeah, definitely.
Soaking up the knowledge, you can tell she's listening to every word as well.
Yeah, solid performance for these opening 2 rounds there.
Very solid.
I'm sure the message is going to be more of the same from that corner. Harper got a bit more of a task on her hands here. Nice there, straight in.
Oh!
Starting as she left off.
Lovely head kick as well.
Oh! The killer doing a good job of
As I said
controlling the
before,
tempo.
the corner said the spin is there, and it was there as well. The corner now asking for the pivot. Oh, just glancing with that right hand there.
Nice shot there.
Both
the body.
tiring down now. Both getting a little bit tired. I like what I see though. She's making the ref do a job, and rightly so.
Yeah,
Do his job, sorry Steve.
nice, nice.
Oh, stiff
Nice
jab
shot there.
again. Erin does need to dig deep.
Yeah, definitely. The killer's got her right where she wants her. Putting on a show and really representing Respect to me. Well,
Well, if you didn't before, now you've got to respect it. Brilliant fight this.
oh, nice. Spin kick right on the bell.
Beautiful work.
Good performance there.
Well done to
From
both
the killer.
girls. But I wouldn't be surprised if this is a unanimous decision.
Yeah, you and me both, you and me both. Both fighters look really sharp, especially in the opening round, but
Erin
the killer really
started
started to run with
strong.
it. Yeah,
She did, but she weathered the storm.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. They came into ring as a complete whitewash.
show for everyone.
Excellent performance.
We're fighting events from over 25 countries across the world. This is the #1 place for all your combat action.
Your winner, by unanimous, is in the blue corner, Kainaath, the killer unicorn.
And there we have it. The killer has done it again.